What's up guys, my name is Tom. Welcome to Live It Outdoors. In this video, we were hunting in Camp Lejeune, North Carolina for a week. We had some close encounters with some really good bucks. If you guys are new to hunting and fishing, or you just want a little entertainment, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Cool. A little bit of an upgrade from our last one. You can see the ocean. Yeah, we're gonna look for shark teeth later.
Wow.
See the ocean?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Whoa.
We're
Look
high.
down there.
Man, we're super high.
Look down there.
Alright, so I'm here in North Carolina hunting on Camp Lejeune. It's a Marine Corps base. Cool thing about this place, why I like to hunt it, you have to have a DOD ID card. Well, you have to be basically active duty, you gotta be retired. It's not open to the public. So the good thing about that for me is I'm retired from the Marine Corps, so I get on here and it limits the amount of hunters I run into. This place is just freaking full of deer and you don't really run into hunters. I just enjoy being up here in this part of the country, like just hunting anywhere up north. It's just nice to have a break from Florida. We're here for 7 days, me, my wife, my son Case, and my father-in-law. So we do this trip every year. So this will be the first time I actually document it a little bit besides taking pictures. Ah. Ah. Oh my God. I just popped the cap on him. What the? I just snapped a cap on a giant buck. This muzzleloader. I just got it from my in-law. He gave it to me because we needed to bring an extra muzzleloader for this trip. Because Rachel's using mine. She's sitting in a blind with case. So I sighted this thing in, threw a nice Nikon scope on it. Sighted it in. Firing freaking great. Didn't have a single misfire the whole time I was sighting it in. I get up here, I loaded it, probably yesterday or the day before, I forget, but anyways, never emptied it back out. I am gonna go sit in the morning and pray to God that he comes out, but I don't think that's likely. I think now he's probably gonna know my smell. He's gonna avoid that area because he got spooked. And and I just missed an opportunity to shoot a really nice buck. But gigantic lesson learned. Always put a fresh load in your muzzleloader right before you hunt. Do not use a load from the day prior. Yep, that rookie mistake just cost me one of my biggest deer ever. It's hopefully in the morning, man. Hopefully he shows himself. I just smoked a doe, so I'm pretty sure I watched her drop. I'm watching the footage right now, so I'm gonna sit for another hour or two though, trying to see if a buck will come out. Alright, I just shot a doe. Getting down right now to go try to find her. Didn't look like she ran far, so I think I'll be good. Dropped her where she lays. And it tracks. There you go. Oh, nanny doe. She's got a big old belly. Well, the buck I missed last night didn't come, but at least I got that monkey off my back with the not getting a deer so far. So yeah, so far we got one doe. I've personally seen 5 bucks, so they're moving. I just gotta stop having technical issues. Daddy got a deer, bud. Look at her belly. She's nice. Alright, if you're a muzzleloader hunter, you've probably had a misfire here and there. I really haven't had any my whole time using muzzleloaders up until this hunt. So I realized what my issue was with that muzzleloader is that I was using modern day pellets. I was using those in an old school muzzleloader. And the way that the breech is designed on an old school muzzleloader, it's not meant for the pellets, it's meant for loose powder. So that was my issue. It was not actually that the powder was wet or anything like that. So big lesson learned. If I'm using my old school guns, I need to make sure I use old school powder. My new like Thompson center gun that my wife was using and the one that I killed that doe with, that is a modern day gun and I use pellets on that, no problems. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It wasn't the hunt that I was hoping for, but it was still a great time. I made some good memories. But yeah, we'll be going again next year, this coming October, and I'm just hoping to redeem myself a little bit. But until next time, guys, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, got anything out of it. And if you aren't already, subscribe to my channel. And remember, life is short, live it outdoors. Take it easy.
Have cheeseburgers.
No, I want it, please. A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.